Let's take a look at this example. This time I have BA, I have B and A. I have to write 1 in this cell. Next I have B, A, not. I have B, A, not. This is this cell. And next one I have B not, A not. B not, A not. I have 3 ones and I can create 2 groups. This is one group and this is the second group. Let's take a look at the first group. First group is placed in 1 column and 2 rows. At the left side of these 2 rows I have complements. We said that we are going to ignore anytime we are going to see complements. So we are going to ignore them and simply copy down everything whatever is at the top of this column. So I'm going to have A not. I'm finished with this group. Next I have to look at the second group. Second group is placed in 1 row and 2 columns. So anytime I have just 1 row, I copy down everything, whatever is at the side of the row. I have B. And at the top of these 2 columns, I have complements. I just ignore them. So this is my expression after the simplification. If you want to implement this, this is nothing else, just inverter at input A and OR gate. And I have input B over here. This is my output X. These are the solutions to my problem. Next example, we have B not, A not. B not, A not. This is this cell. And I have B not, A. B not, A. I have 2 ones. I can make the group. Remember, for 2 variable came up, we can make the groups of 1, 2, and 4. Next, I'm supposed to check what I have on the left side of my group. This group is placed in 1 row and 2 columns. Remember, whatever we have on the side of 1 row, we simply copy down. That's why I'm going to write this is equal B not. This group is placed also in 2 columns. At the top of these 2 columns, I have complements. We said that anytime we have complements on the side or at the top of the came up, we simply ignore them. That's why this is the expression after the simplification, Boolean expression after the simplification. If you want to implement it, this is nothing else, just inverter. This is input B and this is my output X. These are the solutions to my problem.